I'm Shelby. I am the assistant supervisor at College Lakes Recreation Center, and today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye a shirt using bleach. So the materials that you'll need are a dark colored shirt. Since you're using bleach, it's going to take the color out, so it works better with a darker colored shirt. You need a bleach solution, which is equal parts bleach and water, a spray bottle or a squeeze bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle like this, you can use a water bottle that has a hole poked into the lid, anything that you have handy at home. You'll need some rubber bands, some gloves, and something to protect the surface that you're working on. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shirt, and you can tie it any way you want. All I'm gonna do is twist it, and then kind of bring it into the center as I'm doing that. Okay, once you have it twisted like you want it, you're gonna secure it with your rubber bands. And if you use thin rubber bands, it's not gonna really affect the color of the shirt much. If you would like it to affect the color of the shirt, you can use thicker rubber bands. Okay, once you have it like this, you're just gonna take your bleach and just spray the shirt. Make sure you get both sides really well. Okay, once that's done, you're gonna just let that sit just until it gets to the color that you want, typically like 10 to 15 minutes. Once it gets to the color you want, untie it, rinse it with water really well, and then you're gonna stick it in the wash by itself and then dry it. And this is an example of what it will look like once it is done.